So the third dimensional consciousness is very much anchored in duality and separation and contrast. And people are thinking that we are only this physical body, and our reality is predetermined, predestined, and we have a destiny, and we have no control over our reality, and we are just following whatever is happening, and when we die, we don't exist anymore. This is the third dimension. Then we move on to the bridge, onto the fourth dimension, where many people are awakening and they understand that they are more than this physical body, and they start connecting to their light bodies, and they start connecting to their higher self, and they understand that they are not separated of others. But this is more at the conceptual level. It's not embodied. So in the fifth dimensional consciousness, then you start to connect to everything that is. And you understand that heart consciousness is everything. And the portal of the heart is opening and is available for everyone, for them to shift into a higher level of evolution. And in the fifth dimensional consciousness, we are embodying our multidimensionality. We are connected to our higher self. We are receiving guidance from our oversoul and other civilizations. And we are becoming deliberate in creating our reality. So then we choose what we want to experience. Then we step in our full power. And this is something that for thousands of years humanity didn't access and was somehow hidden and repressed. But now, humanity is awakening to the understanding that the fifth dimensional consciousness is available for us and is a stream of light that we are all tapping into.